Hey, I'm Valerie from WordPress. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you found us. Today I'm excited to share a new feature in the Events Calendar plugin. You can now set your events to open a full event page or redirect to any custom URL you like. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. So without further ado, let's check it out. So at the moment we're working on a bunch of new features for the Events Calendar, but for now let's talk about what's already here. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest updates in version 2.0. And when we first launched the plugin, the goal was simple: to give you as much functionality as possible, but keep the front end super simple. That's why at the start, events preview were pretty minimal. When someone clicked an event on the calendar, they'd see a quick pop-up with all the key info. But here's the thing, we know that sometimes you need more space to tell the full story, so we made it happen. Version 2.0 now supports full event pages. We've added a link under the details called View Event. But what happens when someone clicks that View Event link? Let's take a look. They'll land on a full event page, not just a pop-up. This page gives you way more room to share details. You can add descriptions, images, maps, whatever you need. And since it's built with a block editor, it's all super flexible, drag, drop, edit, no code needed. So yeah, it's a big step up from the simple preview, and now your events can really shine. Alright, let's take a look at it from the admin's perspective. Say I want to create a new event. And this one's repeating event. Under the event description, there is a new toggle, create a public page for this event. Just switch it on and the plugin will automatically add a new event page. Now, before I save anything, I want to make the pop-up as informative as possible, so I'll go ahead and add a category, tag, location, and organizer. And that's it. The event page is now created. And if you want to customize it further, you can click the pencil icon and then open the event page in the block editor. So I'll show it in the next part of the video, so stay tuned. Now, what if you already have an event in your calendar and want to add a page for it later? Easy. Just find the event, click the pencil icon, then switch to Edit Event. Now locate the new Links to section, and here you've got two options. Event page, this is the default option. It opens the dedicated event page on your site, and the second option is Custom URL, and this one lets you redirect to any link you choose. This time I'll go with the event page option. And don't forget to click Update Event. Let's try another one. Now I'll choose Custom URL instead. Alright, back to the default event page. If you want to customize any of your event pages, just click Edit to open it in the block editor. On this page, you'll see a dedicated block. I mean the event schedule block, and it's added automatically. And in the blog settings, there is a drop down where you can pick which event to display. By default, it shows upcoming events for the selected one. You can also click View to preview the page. And here is mine. It shows the same recurring event across multiple dates. Now let's switch to the front end and see it in action. So this is my default event page. Looks great. And now let's test the custom URL one. Great, works exactly as expected. Perfect. And here is an example of how you can style your event page to make it more informative and way more engaging. And these are the blogs I've used. The blog editor gives you a ton of flexibility. You can use patterns, blocks, and all the usual Gutenberg features to match your site's style. And a couple of things you should keep in mind. If it's a repeating event, the same display settings will apply to all occurrences. I've already mentioned this in the previous part of the video. And you can still update the event page or URL for events you created before this plugin update. Okay? And hey, if you don't want to show upcoming events, no problem. Just delete the default blog and build your own layout from scratch. The event page will still open by the same link. And as for the event schedule blog, you can even reuse this blog on other pages across your site. So it's very handy, right? Now let's talk about what makes a great event page. Well, it should give visitors everything they need to know and look good doing it, right? Start with a bold event name and a short, clear description, and tell people what the event is about and why they should care. Next, include the basics: date, time, and location. In my case, it's a repeating event, so visitors will see a list of upcoming events and upcoming dates. So now let's talk visuals. Add at least one eye-catching image or banner or even a short video to set the mood, and this helps make the event feel exciting and alive. And you can also throw in testimonials of photos from the past events, and don't forget the extras like directions, what to bring, or a quick FAQ section. Oh, and one more thing, more blogs are coming soon, so creating event pages will get even easier, so stay tuned. So, to sum it all up, your favorite WordPress events plugin just got a nice boost when it comes to event pages. Now you can have event pages created automatically with an upcoming events blog already set up for you. Moreover, you get full control to customize those pages using the blog editor. And if you want, you can even set event URLs to direct anywhere you like, maybe to an external site or a custom landing page. And the new event schedule blog, you can drop that on any page you want. Of course, if you prefer keep things simple, the pop-up with event details is still there. Either way, it's all about giving you flexibility to do what works best for your site and for your visitors. If it helped, go ahead and tap that like button so I know that you're out there. See you next time.